History, Chapter 2, Human Evolution. 1. The process of evolution is A. Direct, B. Indirect, C. Gradual, D. Fast. C. Gradual. 2. Statement. Migration of man to different parts of the world resulted in changes of physics and color. Reason, climatic changes. A. Statement is correct. B. Reason is wrong. C. Statement and reason is correct. D. Statement and reason is wrong. C. Statement and reason is correct. 3. Find the odd pair. A. Australopithecus walked on both legs. B. Homo habilis upright man. C. Homo erectus wise man. D. Homo sapiens less protruding face. A. Australopithecus walked on both legs. 4. 1. Anthropology is the study of coins. 2. Homo erectus had the knowledge of fire. 3. The first scientific invention of humans was wheel. 4. Goat was the first animal to be domesticated by humans. Find the incorrect statement. A. 1, 2 and 3. B. 2 and 4. C. 1 and 4. D. 2 and 3. C. 1 and 4. 5. The study of prehistoric humans remained materials used by prehistoric humans is called A. Anthropology, B. Archaeology, C. Graphology, D. Paleography. B. Archaeology. 6. Tanzania is situated in the continent of A. Asia, B. Africa, C. America, D. Europe. B. Africa. 7. The study of humans and evolutionary history is called A. Anthropology, B. Archaeology, C. Graphology, D. Paleography. A. Anthropology. 8. Which people had the habitude to bury the dead? A. Homo habilis, B. Homo sapiens, C. Neanderthal, D. Cro-Magnons. D. Cro-Magnons. 9. Which cave is the evidence for cave living of Cro-Magnons? A. Paddy Rock, B. Pramesek, C. Lascaux, D. Avon D. Organic. C. Lascaux. 10. From which part Homo sapiens had migrated out and settled in different parts of the world? A. Africa, B. Eastern Africa, C. Western Africa, D. Southern Africa. B. Eastern Africa. 11. A. Australopithecus 1. East Africa, B. Homo habilis 2. Africa and Asia, C. Homo erectus 3. Eurasia, D. Neanderthal 4. South Africa. A. 1, 3, 4, 2. B. 1, 4, 2, 3. C. 1, 4, 3, 2. D. 1, 2, 4, 3. C. 1, 4, 3, 2. 12. Find out the incorrect pair. A. Cro-Magnons, France. B. Peking, China. C. Homo sapiens, Africa. D. Heidelbergs, Russia. D. Heidelbergs, Russia. 13. Even today, in the villages of which district in Tamil Nadu, people have the habit of making fire without use of matchbox? A. Salem. B. Theni. C. Nilgiri. D. Velur. C. Nilgiri. 14. Which is considered to be the foremost invention by humans? A. Fire. B. Wheel. C. Agriculture. D. Storage of food products. B. Wheel. 15. 1. The pots were decorated with lots of colors. 2. The color dyes were made from the extracts of roots, leaves, or barks. Find the correct statement. A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. C. Both 1 and 2. 16. Match the following. A. Keelvalai 1. Coimbatore. B. Usilambatti 2. Viluppuram. C. Kamudipati 3. Coimbatore. D. Mavadaipu 4. Nilgiri. E. Porivarai 5. Madurai. A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B. 1, 2, 4, 3, 5. C. 2, 5, 3, 1, 4. D. 2, 4, 3, 1, 5. C. 2, 5, 3, 1, 4. 17. Which soil is more suitable for plant growth than any other soil? A. Black soil. B. Red soil. C. Alluvial soil. D. Sandy soil. C. Alluvial soil. 18. Which is the first art of humanity? A. Music. B. Dance. C. Sculpture. D. Painting. D. Painting.